Back to this automated thank you email. Again, we can edit that message and say, let's say we'd love to touch base with you on more services by Chooka Media Group. And let's say I'm good with this. Save. And then go ahead and save the automation. And this is what my email collector looks like. So right now, the recipients are only this email. You can, like I said, we can add more. We can invite more. The survey is now open. So if you change anything when the survey is still open, then you will have some changes. And this could affect the responses as well. Now, right now, only one invitation was sent. We do not have any responses yet because I didn't open that email yet. And you can also see the open rate right here. So if I go ahead to that email list and go into this survey I just received from myself, let's go ahead and fill that out. Please fill in the questions. And you see that they can move by themselves. So the first one is actually filled out because I already clicked on it in my email. Clicked right here. So that's good with me. I can just click on that again and it rolls down automatically. Let's see. I'm not reading the questions at all. I'll just enter something. Insert some text. Love it. You see, these are the labels we added. And then I am done. You can also see the progress bar right here, how many questions were answered. Okay, and we're done. And this is thank you for taking the survey. And this is, of course, MailChimp on landing page. But if I go back to my email inbox, I should be getting an email pretty soon saying thank you. So right now, if I click refresh, let's see if anything changed. So we have 1 total responses. So now we can actually go ahead and send, get ourselves into analyzing the results. Okay, so we are scrolling down. These are the question summaries. We have some, and also you can find out individual responses. So let's say you have 10 participants that have answered these questions. You can view them one by one or as a summary. So this email is the one respondent, and we only have one right now, but if we had 10 of these, you would see them separately. And you can see how that person individually answered all your questions. Now, if you want to see a summary of how all the participants responded, you will see that in the question summary, and that also presents you with some graphs and charts. So you can see visually how many people responded this, or that. So this is pretty neat. And those graphs, those charts are only for the closed questions like multiple choice or scale questions. in your own words. There's no really, you will see them individually. Showing one response right now. How likely? Okay. This is from 1 to 10. And this one, here we have the star rating. So we didn't add any labels to the values in between 1 and 5, but that's okay because you can view it. And that's it. That's what it looks like. So now you can analyze this and see kind of how your participants feel about your service or your product. This is really a market research type of survey, but you can use any type of template or just get inspired and create your own. You can edit everything, and I wish you good luck. You can also showcase your results on a dashboard. Let's look into that. This is a new feature. So it's true we only have one result right now, but let's see if that looks any different than we've seen before. Start building a dashboard. So if there are specific questions that you're interested in showing the results, you would click on this pin icon and click on the new dashboard, and it already has the name of your survey. So you can create that. Let's pin this question to this dashboard. Again, this is if there's something specifically that you are interested in looking into. And I'll pin this one too. Let's open that dashboard and see what that looks like. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Which is pretty neat. You can always add more. This is our cool dashboard. It presents a certain trend, and of course, as needed. Okay, you can add more into it. Let's go ahead and publish. You can have a link for sharing or not. If you want, let's copy and done. So if I go ahead and choose that link and paste it, I can actually just use this report and send it over maybe to my partners or investors who are interested in looking at those results. This is a very cool feature to have. Excuse me. And let's go and see how we can get into that dashboard. See over here, these are the recent surveys that we created. We can either go to the surveys gallery and just see what's out there, or create a new one. You can also manage all your surveys if you have more than one. You can share it. And again, you can go back to analyzing the responses and go into present the results. And this is your dashboard right here, the one that we created and just viewed. All right. So this is it. I wish you the best of luck with your surveys. And again, make sure you ask the right questions. You can always add more than 10 questions and go ahead and tap into the pro paid plan. And that's totally up to you. And if you do that, just make sure that, again, all the questions are clear and everything is available to you. You might even want to add section separations. I encourage you to explore the other fields and options with SurveyMonkey while you design the survey. So good luck to you. And if you have any questions, please contact me at info@chookagroup.com. My name is Tal, and I was happy to help. See ya.